Hello, fifth graders. Today we're going to go through how to get signed up and signed in to code.org. So follow this video to get yourself rocking. So first you're going to want to go to Google Classroom, find your class that you'll be added to, and then you'll see I have two things posted to start us off. The bottom one says coding sign up. So click that one first. When you get here, it should automatically have you ready to go for my class code right there. You'll see at the top. If something gets screwed up, we can get that figured out later. Your display name. You can type in whatever display name you want as long as it's appropriate. I'm just going to make one up. Then you're going to type in your email address. Now for your email address, make sure you use your full student email address that goes with your login account. So you start off with your username like bmillar, and your number is 27 at student.scc.k12.wi.us. So it should look something like this. Double check that you spelled everything correctly. The first part of your username, email address. The biggest problem I see is people misspelling student. So make sure you spell everything correct, because if you don't spell it correct, you're going to run into a problem later on. So double check everything is spelled right in your email address, and it looks much like this. Your password, use your school password. Okay, so it should be capital SCC, then your school lunch code, followed by your initials. Password confirmation, type the exact same thing again. So capital SCC, your school lunch code, and then your initials. Now I just typed in random stuff, so it's telling me that my two passwords don't match. Yours will. Your age, put in your age. Gender, it's up to you. Click register. So now it got me all signed in, and it's going to keep loading. Now, even though the email address I put in, bmillar27, is not a real thing, it's still going to log us in, which is why you need to make sure that you sign up with the correct email address, because as soon as you get signed out, which will happen eventually, you're not going to be able to get back in to see your work. Now, as long as you did everything right, this should be the screen that shows up with all of your lessons. Now, if something goes wrong, you might have a little bit of problem, and your screen might look like this. You will not see this express course on there though, but you'll see this dashboard, I believe, if something got screwed up on your sign-in. If that happens, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you will see join a section. Now you can see, since I did it right, I have it right here. But if you got messed up, you can join a section right here by typing in the section code, which is DHBGYN, and that'll get you logged in there. Now, eventually, you will get signed out of code.org. It automatically signs you out at random points in time. And if that happens, I'm just going to sign myself out. If that happens, now I have on Google Classroom signing in to code.org. And it will just take you to the sign-in page of code.org. At this point, all you need to do is hit the red Continue with Google button. And as long as you typed in your email correctly, it will bring you right back. Click on right back to your normal code.org stuff, which is why it is very important that you type in that email correctly. More to come in a little bit. Thank you for watching.